Introduce highlight features and summary overview of mrliance 3800 psi pressure washer 2000 watt 3.0 GPM electric power washer with 5 nozzles. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. mrliance 3800 psi pressure washer highlight features or overview summary. The mrliance 3800 psi electric pressure washers are lightweight and powerful, perfect for tackling tough, medium-sized jobs. Ideal for cleaning cars, bicycles, patios, decking and fencing. Featuring a long-life water-cooled motor, this pressure washer comes with an ergonomic spray gun. You'll get optimum performance with minimal effort. The large wheels make this machine easy to transport and store. The accessories can be easily stored on the machine. The additional detergent tank integrated onto the machine makes applying detergent easy. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.